gas law setup, and this setup is specially designed for the IIT Jammu. Here we have the three parts for this experiment. Firstly, this is the interface unit for the mechanical to software interfacing. This is the second part, mechanical unit. In this unit we have the cylindrical over here, and here is the platform. By putting the weight on this platform, we can change the volume by increasing the pressure by putting the weight on this platform. In this setup we have used three transducers, or you can say to check the volume, temperature, and the third is the pressure. Here is the cord is connected with the interface unit, and the PC interface we use this lead to laptop. This laptop is with this setup, and it is already pre-installed EasyLog Pro software. Here is the window of the EasyLog Pro. You have to connect with this interface wire. Now in second video I will explain the working of this setup. This is the second window. Now this software already take the COM port. You have to just connect. Then highlighted is not shown here, and that means it connected with the interface unit. Now we come to hardware part. Firstly, you can do the experiment with the atmospheric pressure. You have to open the valve and put at the maximum place, then close the valve. If you want to do the experiment with the gas, you have to fill the gas here below 19 kPa. When fill the gas 19 kPa, close the valve. Now it is setup is ready to do the experiment. Here we have the two switch. The first push to on switch to take the data, and this is the reset switch to stop the data. Now I have put the 1 kg load on this platform, but I will take the first initial reading by pressing data once. Start at this, you will take the data in the software. Put the 1 kg load, wait for some time to stable the platform pressure for the cylinder. Now take the data, start and then stop. Now again put the second load. Now 3 kg load, press start, stop. Five kg load, wait for the stabilization of the platform, take data, start, then stop. Here ten kg load, start and stop. In this way we have to take the reading. In next video I will show how to tabulate the reading and plot. Now once we have get the data on software, then other part is close. Then here we have the receiving data, then click on tabular form, and the data is automatically shifted to here. We get the pressure reading, volume reading and temperature reading. You can observe the reading here, different readings at different pressure. You can export the data export, and this data automatically exported in Excel. Here we get the data, and some unwanted readings you have to take or not, that is up to you. Then plot the graph. Click on the plot graph, and here is the window. Press pressure versus volume. Here we get the graph. Then volume versus time, pressure versus time, and temperature versus time. Because temperature is constant, that's its straight line. In this way we can take all the graphs, and here we click for the printing the graph.